Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Yamaha FJR1300 Sport Touring. ABS brakes, shaft drive, fuel injected. This bike is in beautiful shape, 59,000 miles, well cared for. It's got the side cases, GV top case with a passenger backrest, heated electric grips, center stand. Come on by, make your FJR 1300 Sport Touring dreams come true for just $54.90. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.